wrong with it.
That judge can give her a chance to do the IOP-SOP. I had a chat with her.
You want to keep in this thing? I'm going to put you in inpatient. You can go right now. Goes your life. 6 months minimum. And if you're good, 6 months. Right, if you're good, I'm sorry. Otherwise, it's here in custody. You know, no means no. Doesn't mean I've got a party. I've got Jesus telling me to do it. No. How many positives? Let's not get ahead of ourselves.
She completed the education in situation with impact on March 12th. She made the consumer alcohol, and then on June 20th, she provided a bill of 1.53.
0.153? That's nearly double the legal limit. That's going to be. It's like eight drinks.
This is the moment where the judge's frustration truly comes out, and honestly, it's justified. A blood alcohol content of 0.153 it's nearly double the legal limit and represents heavy drinking while on probation. Judges take this incredibly seriously because probation is a contract, freedom in exchange for compliance. When someone keeps violating that agreement, especially with something as dangerous as alcohol misuse, the court sees it as a direct threat to public safety. And notice the judge's tone. She isn't just angry, she's worried. Worried about the defendant's safety, her judgment, and the risk she poses to others. This isn't about shaming, it's about the harsh reality that repeated violations often end in tragedy. I'll ask you this: should probation violators get more compassion or stricter penalties? What would you do in this judge's position?
She said she had arrangements and she was over in the system.
No. There's got to be some kind of sanction. No.
Can we do, instead of putting her in inpatient, maybe take her in for the weekend and then let her out and go her with her?
I'm okay with that. Yeah. And then at that point, I'm going to put an ankle monitor on her.
Can you let her come in? Did you drive here?
Yeah.
Can we, her car is going to get towed. Getting her car out
care
there.
because
Well, so I know this is not the court's concern. I'm saying my concern for her is that if you take her in right now, her car is going to go to impound. Her family can take it out because you need a power of attorney. She's going to come out with over $1,000 fees only to get her car out. But she will come back.
we continue to cater to everybody. And you know, I get killed all over YouTube because people say I'm so mean.
Oh boy, right for the start, the judge is on fire. You can tell she's tired of excuses. But wait till you hear why she's so frustrated. It's about more than just alcohol. It's about accountability.
I mean, are we supposed to coddle everybody? Are we supposed to coddle you? Or just send drinks when you know you're on a freaking probation? Shameful. You ought to be ashamed. That tells me that you either have a problem or you just don't give a shite about us. That's what that tells me. You know? And yet you still want a dismissal of this case. It doesn't work. You know?
I don't know if it makes a difference, but I've had her own bond for quite some time. And
Quick legal note. When a defendant is on probation, any alcohol use violates the terms of supervision. So even just a few drinks isn't minor. It's a direct breach of the court's trust. The judge here, she's enforcing the basics, compliance or consequences.
she's been on the program, she did her classes. If you give her a chance to come back, and if she doesn't do it, then I won't even have anything to stand on or come before you to say anything. And I don't think she will either. And being before you, I think she understands, right? Right? That if she does not take advantage of this opportunity, then that will be the end of that program for her.
Yeah. We're going to have to prevail. So, you know, I'll tell you the only way is 3 days as a condition. And she'll have to turn, do you have a license?
Whoa, 0.153. That's nearly twice the legal limit. Think about it. That's not an accident or one drink too many. That's a full-on night of partying while under probation.
Can you get a license, please? She'll have to do 3 days, and then as soon as she gets out, immediately she'll get a scram. She'll have to pay for it because I can't pay for it. You know?
How, well, since it's
This is where the courtroom reaches a crossroads. The defense emphasizes the real-life consequences, towing fees, financial hardship, the strain on family, all valid concerns. But the judge has a different responsibility, protecting the public and enforcing the terms of probation. This is the core dilemma of modern sentencing. Real human struggles versus real risk to the community. The defendant has had opportunities, resources, and professional support. Yet the alcohol level, combined with driving and probation status, shows a dangerous pattern. The judge isn't trying to ruin her life. She's trying to stop a repeat cycle before it becomes irreversible. Let me know in the comments. Should a judge lean into compassion when someone keeps violating probation? Or do tough consequences create the wake-up call needed to save a life?
So here's a question for you. Should the judge show compassion or make an example? Here's where the courtroom tension peaks. Defense brings up real-life hardship, towing fees, family impact, financial strain. It's a reminder.
And that brings this tense hearing to a close. The judge battled between giving the defendant one more chance and protecting the public from repeated dangerous behavior. Inpatient treatment, weekend jail time, alcohol monitoring, financial hardship, everything was placed on the table. But no matter how complicated the circumstances became, one truth stayed clear. Probation is a privilege, and breaking its terms has real consequences. This hearing highlights the struggle judges face every day, balancing empathy with responsibility, compassion with accountability. If you found this breakdown insightful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more real courtroom analysis, emotional moments, and expert legal breakdowns. Your support helps us bring you more powerful stories like this every week.